Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. Khalid, we love Khalid, and he released a couple songs very recently. This one is what we're gonna start with, and probably more is coming from Khalid here on Growing Guitar. So make sure you subscribe to this channel if you love him, like I do. Let's take a look at Heatstroke. Alright, so this is a 3-chord song. So we're gonna do that together with a capo on the 2nd fret. So capo on 2nd, that's the easiest scenario for us. Let's take a look at the chords like we usually do. And we're gonna start with the C major 7 with the G note added down here. So it goes 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, open B, and the 3rd fret E string. That's the G note there. Okay. So yeah, actually not, because we had a capo anyway, technical stuff, we don't have to go into that, but 3rd fret on E string. Let's move forward here with the G6 chord. All right, so that will be 3rd fret on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B, and open E. So open all the way down here, and that is the G6 chord. Then we have the final chord, it's the DF. That is basically the D chord, but with an F sharp in the bass. So it goes 2nd on E, open A, open D, 2nd on G, 3rd B, and open E. So yeah, when we play these chords, we're gonna look at the strumming soon, then we wanna really get certain notes here from these chords. So for the C major, that's the reason for having the 3rd fret E string, is because that note is important. So make sure you get this one when you play this one. And for the G6, also the reason for having open strings down there is because the open B string is important here, and you can try to avoid the open E string if you can. So when you do the strumming, try to avoid the E string, but more important, get the open B, because that is the note we want to. And on the DF chord, I would say the 2nd fret G string is important here. So make sure you do the strumming around that area on the G string from the DF chord. Now, talking about strumming, let's take a look at it. So we have a strumming pattern that is about 2 different parts. So we're gonna look at the C major first. And this C major, you're gonna play 1 full round, so both parts. We're gonna look at part 1 first. So it goes like this. Okay, so it's down, down, up, down, up, down. So 1 down first, short pause, and then down, up, down, up, down. And if you listen carefully, I go up and down all the way till this E string. So I really get that note. So, okay, that's part 1, down, down, up, down, up, down. And then comes the 2nd part, which is up, up, down, up, up, down, up. So the first up here, you really wanna really kick it, all right? So, okay, so that is important, the first up. And you're gonna play up, up, down. And then you're gonna repeat that for another time. And an extra up. So up, up, down for 2 times, and then an extra up. So part 2 will be. And that is it. If you combine these 2 parts, it will be like this, part 1 and part 2. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, now we're gonna play the chord progression that goes C major, 1 full round, then G6, part 1 and DF part 2. And that's it. So C major, 1 full round, G6, down, down, up, down, up, down, and then you quickly change to the DF and play up, up, down, up, up, down, up. Okay, so it goes like this. That's it, guys. Khalid's Heatstroke. Give it a like if you liked it. If not, leave me a comment. Tell me why. I'm curious. I read everything. So yeah, like to interact with you guys. Hope this helps. And till next time, play tune.